Alright, I want to do a video real quick on how to cook some pork country ribs. So right here I just got some garlic and onion, black pepper, sea salt. So I'm just going to cover them up. I'm going to bake it for 300 for 2 hours. And before I stick them in the oven, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil for the first while. Alright, so pulled it out of the oven. Then you need to drain the juices out. And now we're going to coat it in barbecue sauce, which you can use whatever type of barbecue sauce you prefer. Then we're going to stick it back in the oven at 275 for an hour. Alright, and that's what we've got. 3 hours total cooking time. Internal temperature should be, I don't know, I think a safe bet would be around 165.